Hi friends, myself Bhavan Jha from Biology Guru. I have these topics from class 12th biology. These are crucial for board as well as all pre-medical exams. Today's topics for discussion are intrauterine devices and oral pills from chapter 4 and tissue culture from chapter 9. First topic is IUDs, that is intrauterine devices, or IUCD, that is intrauterine contraceptive devices from chapter 4, that is reproductive health. These devices are inserted by doctors or expert nurses in the uterus through vagina. They are presently available as non-medicated IUDs, for example lips loop, copper releasing IUDs, for example copper T, copper 7 and multilode 375, and hormone releasing IUDs, for example progestasert and LNG20. Intrauterine devices increase phagocytosis of sperm within uterus, that is engulfing of sperm within uterus. Copper ions released suppress sperm motility and fertilizing capacity of sperms. Hormone releasing IUDs in addition make uterus unsuitable for implantation and cervix hostile to sperms. Intrauterine devices are ideal contraceptives for females who want to delay pregnancy and or space children. It is one of the most widely accepted methods of contraception in India. So in a nutshell we can say that non-medicated IUD, that is lips loop, copper releasing IUD, that is copper T, copper 7 and multilode 375, and hormone releasing IUD, that is progestasert and LNG20. Oral pills. Oral administration of small doses of either progestogens or progestogen estrogen combinations is another contraceptive method used by females. These are used in the form of tablets and hence are popularly called pills. Pills have to be taken daily for a period of 21 days, starting preferably within first 5 days of menstrual cycle. After a gap of 7 days, it has to be repeated in the same pattern till the female desire to prevent contraception. They inhibit ovulation and implantation as well as alter quality of cervical mucus to prevent or retard entry of sperms. Pills are very effective with lesser side effects and are well accepted by females. Saheli. Saheli is new oral contraceptive for females. It contains a non-steroidal preparation. It is once a week pill with very few side effects and high contraceptive value. It is developed by scientists at CDRI Lucknow, that is Central Drug and Research Institute. Progestogen alone or in combination with estrogen can also be used by females as injections or implants under the skin. Their mode of action is similar to that of pills and their effective periods are much longer. Administration of progestogen or progestogen estrogen combinations or IUDs within 72 hours of coitus have been found to be very effective as emergency contraceptive. Next topic is tissue culture from chapter 9, that is strategies for enhancement in food production. Plant tissue culture is the technique of maintaining and growing plant cells, tissues or organs, especially on artificial medium in suitable containers under controlled environmental conditions. Explants. Any part of plant taken out and grown in a test tube under sterile conditions in special nutrient media. Totipotency. It is capacity or potency to generate whole plant from any cell or explant. In tissue culture, nutrient medium must provide carbon source such as sucrose and also inorganic salts, vitamins, amino acids and growth regulators like auxins, cytokinins, etc. Micropropagation, a tissue culture technique used for rapid vegetative multiplication of plants in very short duration. Somaclones. Each of these plants produced by tissue culture will be genetically identical to the original plant, so they are called somaclones. Many important food plants like tomato, banana, apple, etc. have been produced on commercial scale using this method. Meristem culture. Apical and axillary meristems are generally free from virus. So in meristem culture, meristem is removed and grown in vitro, that is outside living organism, to obtain virus-free plants. From virus-infected plants, virus-free plants are obtained by meristem culture. It is carried out successfully in many plants such as banana, sugarcane, potato, etc. Somatic hybridization. A hybrid is produced by fusion of somatic cells of two varieties or species. The cell wall of plant cell is removed by digestion. Such plant cells without cell walls are called protoplasts. That is, plant cell without cell wall is protoplast. Protoplasts of two plants are fused using chemicals like polyethylene glycol, that is PEG, and sodium nitrate. Fused protoplasts are allowed to grow on culture medium and develop cell walls. Thanks for watching such information.